Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro memory modules. Now this particular kit happens to be a DDR4 3200 MHz kit that uses two 16 GB memory modules, and it's obviously the Vengeance RGB Pro. All Corsair modules are compatible with the iCUE software, and the iCUE software in turn is compatible with ASUS AutoSync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and MSI's Mystic Light. The packaging is fairly simple. There's no flashy anything around it. We can see it's basically a cardboard packaging with a plastic wrapper on the inside. Let's open it up. We're going to slice it on the top, and that should get things started. This is basically a 2-DIMM kit. You can also get 4-DIMM kits, but usually for most people 32 gigs of memory is more than sufficient. In fact, it's quite overkill. Now on the inside we see the memory modules are present in a plastic clamshell. We'll open it up. There you go, we have both the memory modules. We'll pull one out. It's kind of difficult, but we'll manage. There you have it, the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro memory module. You can see it has heat spreaders on both sides, branding emblazoned on the side, and at the top you have a diffuser that sits above the RGB LEDs. And that's about it for this particular kit. That was a very brief unboxing of the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro memory modules. This was a 3200 MHz kit with two modules. In case you do like this video, please do like and share. Also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.